Bit of flow for Dante. It's for the world, people held within. In fact, the only thing you should value in life is your soul, not these fucked up Apple products and ganja and all that shit. The only thing important in this world is you and the people around you. That happens to be 7 billion fucking people. 1.1 billion don't have water every day. Now think about that when you thirst on the lounge, and I'ma come through, my flow always be astounded. You're at Sam fucking Palm Springs golf course. This is how I do it when I ball. I drink mad quarts of liquor, not fucking water. You don't know it when I'm drunk. I'll be up in your Dr. Globetrotter. Yes, I am the best. You don't understand it, but I put you to rest with this chest flow. You should call me flawless. I come in out the mind, I will always ball this. Yes, Tupac said it, and he meant it. This is how I write it up on the wall with a felt tip. I change the background for Lyric Jewett. I'll be doing your tax like I'm Jackson Hewitt. Listen to my shit, cause the way that I spit make a bitch's clit and the hips go rip, rip, rock, rock. Cause I hit it like all damn night, like southern rappers, but you know I'm white. And I'll take it for the north, and I'll take it for the west, cause I don't give a shit as long as y'all fucking rest with a little bit of happiness up in your mind. And this is how I take it, no nappiness in the line, just in my head. California bear when I flow, I say beware when you step to me, fucking hoe, cause I'm flowing, don't interrupt it. This is how I do it, never fucking corrupted like a fucking true Buddhist. Yes, I am a Buddhist with a little bit of anger. This is how I do it, this is how I fucking hang ya. Manage the motherfucking hanger where my plane is. This is how I shit it, there's no explaining. Draining, braining off the mind. You don't understand, I'm gonna toss this one more line. I don't give a shit as long as I live a little bit. I will come through, bitch, and this is how I do it for a tidbit, a second or a minute. Don't give a shit, my flow infinite. The only point of life is fucking soul. Goals don't really matter as long as you fucking happy. I'ma come through, bitch, cause I am fucking nappy. Because I get lots of bitches and I get lots of riches, but I don't give a shit, been cursed by plenty of witches. Gypsies in Spain, all off the brain. I'ma come through till my spit is acidic rain, burning through my enemies in fucking towers. You don't understand it, my power's always devour, cause I got the double rhyme, bubble time. I'm gonna crush your ass like I'm bringing fucking trouble home. Yes, a 6-foot Jew bear, this is how we do bear. Yeah, bitch, I don't even fucking matter better than the motherfucking baddest. You don't even know it, you should just call me Gladys. Spit out on my motherfucking floor. I don't give a shit because I'm beyond the doors like fucking Aldous fucking Huxley. You don't even know it, but you could never touch me. Get smoother by the fucking day. When I smoke a J, it's just luck this way. When I split it, I take it for the ancient voices, the only right choices, the voices. You don't understand, but I am the man. Gonna go to Amsterdam cause I'm a businessman, and I make a couple grand, call it a billion, cause I be rap rhyming the squintillion. That is another name, I got plenty. When I fly on another plane, I feel empty. The only place I feel comfortable is at home. You don't understand, I mean on the roam, cause my home is the fucking world. 7 billion bitch, and they all boys and girls. Yes, at heart we really know nothing. I'm gonna flow something, you can call it something, but it equates to nothing. It's a double negative. You wanna listen to my shit? Just live. Yeah, bitch, take it out in the streets in the sun. Take it to the desert till you have fun. Take it to the surf, ride that shit, the crest of the wave, like I'm a wizard with my stave. I be causing incantations. Yes, listen to my shit, it's all relaxation. Smoke a little puff and take it a little rough. I don't give a shit as long as you don't say enough. Yes, I'm flawless, you could never call this. The wizard's been doing this shit since I was at the Is It Cross-dressing in my dreams an hour ago. I got plenty of schemes and they all fucking pro. Watch me take this to the black screen. White light, green light, don't give a shit, I'm tight and I know this. Always so sick, it's like showbiz. You don't understand it, I'ma do it like Crow is. Off the brain, it's a raven, and I'm gonna do this motherfucker cause I'm fucking raving about some fucking rabbit. You don't know I grab it cause I like the nature, and that's how I fucking had it. Yo, I'm a congregationalist of nature's church. You don't understand, this is my only church, and I look for the lines and I look for the gods, when all I really find is a couple of logs. Motherfucker, I'm agnostic, I mean atheist, I mean agnostic. My flow is fucking caustic, I tossed it. You don't understand it, when I flow I fucking boss it. Every single time, I don't need to fucking floss it.